We are not just glass nerds, we are creative problem solvers. Every time we start a new job, every time we scale up and push ourselves to build something bigger, every time we hit a new site, we are faced with a new challenge. And the more access we have to explore materials and technology and related trades and the preservation fields, the more prepared we are to tackle all of that. So Friday is all about getting technical, not just networking at tables with suppliers and manufacturers, a hands-on chance to explore material. So this is a new way to approach the vendor hall as a resource center, as a technical LECMO space. So it's taking a little bit longer to release the final schedule, but check back on this page regularly for a full schedule of over a dozen different presentations and demonstrations and opportunities to learn about all of the things that we need to build amazing work.